We are going to read a story, Ryan and Allie, which is very similar to Grace Darling. As we read the story, I want you to pay attention to the different character traits for both Ryan and his sister Allie, and pay attention as well to the shift in his attitude towards his little sister. Ryan's life was nearly perfect. He had a lot of friends on his block. They walked to school together almost every day, and after school, they always had time to play. Ryan did have one problem. It was his little sister, Allie. Somehow, Allie just didn't understand that Ryan and his friends didn't want her around. Wherever they went, she would toddle up a few minutes later, her little legs working overtime to keep up with the boys. She would look around and announce, "Here I am!" Everyone would groan. Allie wasn't a pest exactly. She never said much of anything except, "Here I am." She didn't whine, but she couldn't exactly do much either. She was too small to play ball. She couldn't climb trees yet. She just watched the boys with her dark, serious eyes and followed them everywhere they went. Ryan tried asking his mom to keep Allie at home. "Why does my sister have to come along?" he asked. "Troy's sister doesn't. Jimmy's sister doesn't. Why me?" Ryan's mother just laughed. "Troy's sister is only 6 months old, and Jimmy doesn't have a sister. Guess that makes you the unlucky one, Ryan." Today, Ryan wanted to play wiffle ball with his friends after school. They used to play with a hard ball, but one of them broke a window at Mr. McWhitter's house. Boy, had Ryan and his friends gotten in trouble for that one. Mr. McWhirter wouldn't even give them their ball back. Today, as usual, Allie trotted out after the boys and announced, "Here I am!" And just as naturally, everyone ignored her, as much as they could. They had to persuade her to stop playing drums on the pitcher's mound, really just an old trash can lid, and they had to chase her out of the outfield where she sat down on the curb to make daisy chains. But finally, the game got started. It was Jimmy's turn at bat. He whacked the ball hard right into Mr. McWhirter's yard. The boys ran over to Mr. McWhitter's fence and peered through the railings. The ball lay in the grass just out of reach. "I can't fit through the rails," Jimmy said, trying to squeeze in. "I don't think any of us can." The boys looked glum. Ryan was especially irritated. "It's all Allie's fault. She distracted us. Jimmy hooked crooked because of Allie." And Troy interrupted him. "Ryan, look at Allie. Look at how small she is." "Yeah," said Jimmy. "She's so small, she can fit through the fence. Hey, Allie, come over here." Allie walked over. "Here I am." "How would you like to go get that ball for us?" Allie looked at Ryan and his friends. Then she slipped through the fence, picked up the ball, and came back out of the yard. She handed the ball to Ryan and waited, looking up at the boys to see if they wanted her to do anything else. "Woo-wee," said Troy. "That was quick. Thanks, Allie." "Nice job, Squirt," said Jimmy, patting her on the head. "Come on," said Ryan, suddenly proud of his little sister. "I'll teach you how to swing the bat."